Good morning. Today I will introduce a library book Reptiles. It gives very useful information about reptiles. Nearly all reptiles need shellets. Reptiles are covered in bony external plates. There are more than 8,000 species of reptiles. Reptiles use various techniques to defend themselves from dangers. The first species of reptiles around to be evolved 320 million years ago. There are four main types of reptiles. Turtles and tortoises, crocodiles and alligators, lizard and snake. Lizard and snakes make the largest species of reptiles. Dinosaurs were also reptiles.
There were two types of dinosaurs, herbivores and carnivores. The carnivores hunted for herbivores to kill their hunger. The biggest and the tallest dinosaur that was herbivore was Apatosaurus, that was 70 to 90 feet long, and the T-Rex, meaning the biggest, the king of the lizards. Thank you.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Wadud and I am